Hello, this is Barbara Sundquist from WriteABio.com. Today I'd like to talk about when to use a professional bio rather than a resume. First, I'll explain the difference between a professional bio and a resume. Then I'll tell you when to use a bio and when to use a resume. A bio is a short summary of the most impressive highlights of your background, whereas a resume gives a comprehensive picture of your education and work experience year by year. Both a bio and a resume describe your background, but they're different in terms of these three things: the intended purpose, the level of detail, and the format or presentation. So when do you use a bio versus a resume? Bios are mainly used as backgrounders on you or promotional material for your services in your business. A bio tells a short story about you in a couple of paragraphs. It's a summarized version of who you are and what you're all about. A bio is normally found in the business owner's profile on their website or in the About the Author part in the flap jacket of a book. It's intended to be a short, compelling overview of the person. In a couple of paragraphs, the most impressive facts are provided to give a picture to the reader. The bio is written in the third person. That means it's written as though someone else is talking about you, and may include education, years of experience, perhaps some well-known companies you've worked for, and awards or other professional recognition. Many people also include a brief sentence or two about their personal life, just to give a picture of who they are outside of work. So they might include something about their marital status, number of children, where they were born or where they live now, things like that. In my bio, I include the fact that I'm a cat lover and I have a couple of cats. And that's a little detail about me that I like to share. One way to think about it is that a bio is a little advertisement for you and your business services. It summarizes just the most impressive highlights of your background. When do you use a resume instead of a bio? A resume is normally required when applying for a job. A resume shows your past history and provides in detail the working experience, job positions and responsibilities, education with your colleges or schools. Whereas a bio is usually formatted in paragraphs, resumes are normally formatted in bullet form and chronological order. In a resume, you need to account for any missing years that might have occurred due to sickness, unemployment, traveling, family responsibilities. Although in a pinch you can omit certain things in your resume, it's not recommended because people looking at a resume expect to see a complete history of what you've done over the years. To sum up, a bio tells a story about you, whereas a resume gives just the facts. A bio is a promotional document. A resume is used when applying for a job. Both describe your background, but the purpose, level of detail, and presentation are different. Between the two, the bio is less formal and, quite frankly, more interesting to read than the resume. You know, even though I just said that a resume is usually what's required when applying for a job, in recent years I've noticed a trend where employers are asking for both a resume and a bio. In fact, I often get feedback from people who buy bio templates from my website that tell me, the people will write to me to say, I got the job using the bio. So it seems to be a new trend that's happening. My guess is that in those circumstances, the person had to provide a resume in addition to the bio. So you might be asked for a bio the next time you apply for a job. You'll definitely be asked for a bio if you're submitting a contract proposal or a request for financing. Other times when you'll need a bio are when you're applying for an educational program, running for election, being appointed to a board, doing public speaking, and of course when creating or updating your website. I hope you found this information helpful. If you'd like more help writing your bio, please visit www.writeabio.com. We provide instant fill-in-the-blank bio templates for over 150 different types of jobs. Our templates are professionally written in the correct style and format, customized for your type of work, flexible enough to reflect your unique background, proven to work for anything you need a bio for, websites, marketing, introductions, and best of all, they're fast and easy to use. You'll be done within 20 minutes and you'll have a great professional bio. Visit us at www.writeabio.com. We take the stress out of writing a bio.